What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing the square guard from Squid Game. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page of the top half of the head. We'll start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a large half circle. Let's go up in the middle, round out the head, and then bring that down on the right towards the same height. Now I want to work our way down and in towards the chin. So let's start back on the left. Come down. And I want to leave a gap in the center. Go to the right side and do the same thing, coming down and then bend that in. Let's pull the collar in and then down towards the middle. Let's add that trim going across the mask. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this down, go across and then up. Let's step down and draw that again. Now I want to add two lines coming down the middle. So let's start on the left. Draw one line coming down, move over towards the right, and draw that again. Now along the top half, we're going to draw a large square. So let's start on the bottom left, draw a line going across. Now I'm going to go up the side with that same length line. And we'll close off the top. Let's trace this square along the inside. Now with the mask in place, let's draw the outside of the head. We're going to step up in the middle, start with the left side. We're going to curve the head, going all the way around, just tracing the mask. Now I want to pull that in towards the chin, to right along the side. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Going all the way out, come around, come down, and then bend that in. Now with the head in place, let's draw that left arm. We're going to start underneath the head on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the elbow. Let's round out the elbow. We're going to pull the arm in front of the body. Let's add the sleeve, going up and then in. And we'll add that crease across the top of the forearm, going over towards the elbow. Let's go to the top of the sleeve. We're going to draw a straight line coming down across the index finger, round this out, and then pull that back out. Let's layer two more fingers across the bottom, coming around and then out. Let's add one more coming in towards the bottom. Let's place the gun on top of the hand. We're going to start up here, angle this down. Now right here we're going to layer three little fingers. So with an oval, going across and then down. Let's layer two more in behind. Just tucking that in. We'll do that one more time. Let's add that trigger around that index finger. I'm just going to trace this out, come in, and then along the bottom of the hand, we'll draw the handle. Let's move over, curve this down, and then out, flatten off the end, and it'll follow that same curve going back up. Now we're going to go back to the sleeve, draw a straight angled line going up. Let's draw this angled line going across the top towards the fingers. And we'll pull that down. Let's draw the nozzle. We'll go out, flatten it off, and then come back in. Let's go to the center, split this in half, move over towards the left, come down, and then all the way out towards the back. Now we're going to line up the top of the arm over on the right side. We're going to bend the arm going out, around, and then in on top. Let's extend this line, coming down. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the side of the body from the arms going up and in, leaving a gap underneath the head. Now in the center, we're going to come all the way down towards the bottom. We're going to add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up towards the toe. And then we want to round out the top of the foot. Let's start from the outside. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and then curl it back up towards the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now I want to line up with the side of the body underneath. We're going to curve the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go underneath the fingers and do the same thing. Let's add a pocket along the side, coming in, down, and then back out. Now underneath the gun and the fingers, we're going to add the belt, coming down and up, go along the right side, step up and draw that same curve, and we'll add the buckle in the middle. And then finally we'll add that pocket on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the square guard from Squid Game. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.